India's economy continues to impress, maintaining its status as the world's fastest-growing major economy. According to recent data released by the country's statistics office, India's gross domestic product, GDP, surged by an impressive 8.4% in the final quarter of 2023 compared to the previous year. This growth rate marks a significant increase from the 7.6% growth observed in the June to September period. Thamashi De Silva, an assistant India economist at Capital Economics, described this surge as India's economy ending last year with a bang. De Silva further highlighted that India's pace of growth outshone that of other major economies in the last quarter of 2023. Additionally, the overall GDP growth for the year 2023 stood at an impressive 7.7%. These numbers indicate a robust and resilient economy that has defied expectations and surpassed projections. Furthermore, recent business activity data suggests that the Indian economy has started 2024 on a strong footing, indicating continued momentum and growth prospects. This positive economic outlook has fueled optimism about India's economic future, with experts predicting further growth and expansion. A report from real estate consultancy Knight Frank projects a 50% increase in the number of ultra-rich individuals in India, those with a net worth of at least $30 million, by 2028. This growth trend underscores India's rising economic prominence on the global stage. In contrast, China, India's neighbor and economic rival, has faced challenges such as a real estate crisis, youth unemployment, and subdued consumer sentiment, resulting in slower economic growth. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, forecasts India's economy to expand by 6.5% in 2024, outpacing China's projected growth rate of 4.6% for the same period. Analysts at Jefferies predict that India could ascend to become the world's third-largest economy by 2027, a significant leap from its current position as the fifth-largest economy. This upward trajectory reflects India's growing influence and economic prowess on the global stage. Furthermore, India's strategic importance as an alternative to China for countries and companies seeking to diversify their supply chains has gained traction, especially amid strained relations between Washington and Beijing. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has actively pursued policies to attract large firms to invest in India, coupled with significant investments in infrastructure development. Major corporations, including Apple supplier Foxconn, have already expanded their operations in India, signaling confidence in the country's economic potential. Tesla CEO Elon Musk expressed his company's intention to invest in India, citing Modi's commitment to fostering a conducive environment for investment. Despite the optimistic outlook, De Silva cautions that India's economic momentum may experience a slight slowdown due to weak global growth affecting exports and tighter restrictions on unsecured lending dampening household spending. However, she remains optimistic, noting that the government's infrastructure initiatives are poised to support economic activity and mitigate any slowdown. In conclusion, India's economy has demonstrated resilience and vitality, surpassing expectations and positioning itself as a key player in the global economy. With a conducive business environment, strategic investments, and robust growth prospects, India is poised for continued economic expansion and advancement in the years to come.